Afternoon team, how are we doing? Coming to you from a beautiful, crisp, clear Christchurch afternoon. It's actually a pleasant surprise seeing the sun without all the rain that we've had. It's been a terrible couple of weeks of rain, but anyway, back out here, people will be up skiing and enjoying it. Thought we'd bring you up to our job at Redmund Spur. We haven't been up here for a while. I think last time we showed you through was sort of at roof framing stage, so quite nice to bring you back up and show you some claddings. We're going to show you some renders coming through the job to show you the finished product, what's happening with our charred larch on the job, our big seamed cladding, roof and some fascia details. It's a pretty impressive looking job this. Big house. It's taken us a bit of time to get through it all. There's a lot of detail there. The lads at Young Architects have made a great job for us. Lots of details to work with. Collaboration's been brilliant. Clients have been even better to deal with. Really simple job. It's been nice and easy. Work all the way through. Makes a great team package. Anyway, we'll come through, have a look around, take you through, talk to you a bit about it. Any questions you want to talk to us about, shoot us some messages on the page and we can take it from there. We've had huge response from this cladding going on this house. Heaps of people have asked us questions, what is it? Tell us a bit about it. It's really cool, it's so larch timber cladding in behind, burnt over top through Chartec, which is a company here in Christchurch, which is really cool to deal with. Japanese technology, it's been around for thousands of years apparently. I really like the look of it with the charred, gives you alligator skin, all the different textures all the way through, which is really nice. Gets another coat of oil put over the top of this to lock it all up, and that'll stop it running and all the black marks will stop coming off it, which you can see. Just really nice, something different, and it's also maintenance free. Once it's completed, you don't have to touch it again, which is a really good bonus, especially on the hill if you're up high. Do it once, do it right, no scaffold. Good old favourite cladding of ours, ST963. We think this could be the first one done on the South Island as a cladding. Don't count me, but I'm pretty sure it is. Really nice profile, nice deep ridges on it, and it's also got the swages through here, which actually disappears a lot. When we go back and have a look at it, they sort of disappear and blend away, which is quite nice. This gives you nice shadow lines, it gives you that standing seam look that everyone's after these days. And again, just give it a nice simple wash. Don't have to maintain it all the time, just like your roof, which is really great. Colour steel, can't beat it. You'll see the lads here, Josh and Danny, fixing the battens. This goes in behind the weatherboard cladding. It's a castellated batten, allows any moisture to get in behind there and fall straight through the building, comes out the bottom. Lets it breathe and ventilate, really great. You can see our head flashing detail that's coming through here. This is going to extend all the way across the building line. And then above it, we've got a fascia board going through, which is our header pan on top. That will give the roof quite the floating appearance to the house. So it'll look quite seamless, it'll look like the roof actually just separates from the cladding really nicely. It's actually quite a nice intricate detail these guys at Young Architects have come up with. That follows the house all the way around. It's going to be really stand out when we go against the black. So the roof and cladding coming down will really give that nice streamline look and the appearance of the floating roof, which will be really nice. In the entranceway here, we've got our framed glass, so we've got our nice big deep profile windows, which are our shop front windows. And you can see inside that we've got our glazing beads. So we're going to overlay this with steel to give it that steel frame look. They've become real popular. A lot of people have actually asked us about them. We've done them before on a project and people love them, so we thought we'd bring them back. Great collaboration with the lads for the design, try and bring it together as a package. I think it'll look really nice in this area, really frame it in, give some feature to it as you come in the front door across the big deck, work through a really nice area. I'm going to love this room when it's finished. Really cool designs all through this room. We've got big tiles on the floor, which is going to be great to open that flooring right up. It's going to be seamless for it everywhere. Ceiling's all going to be birchwood ply. Negative details through there, which is going to slowly drape down the wall with some dato lighting, which is going to wash up and over top. So the guys at Lighthouse Lighting have come up with a really great design package for the lighting. It's going to really make this house in some areas. I think it's going to be absolutely beautiful. Also, these big steel beams behind me are really cool. They actually go another whole story down below us, which is cool. They're huge, so it's really cool to see the features of them. They're going to really stand out against the birchwood ply. The blackness is just going to really be real punchy and crisp.